Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. It's Emma here, and I'm super happy that you joined us today.
And I'm Jack. Hello, friends. How are you all doing? Seriously, I hope you're having a really good day. If not, don't worry. Emma and I are here to make it better. At least a little bit. Maybe like 10% better.
Only 10%?
Okay, fine. 15%. But if they like the video, maybe even 20%.
Exactly. Speaking of liking, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Yes, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, gently tap the bell icon. Very gently. Treat the bell with respect.
Anyway, today we're learning daily use English sentences for beginners. Sentences you can use every single day, from morning to night, at home, at work, in school, shopping, eating, messaging friends, basically everywhere.
And we'll use real-life examples, simple vocabulary, and lots of friendly practice. Plus, small jokes, because Emma refuses to teach without jokes.
Absolutely. English learning doesn't have to be boring, so we want you to relax, enjoy, and learn naturally.
Oh, before we start, Emma, how was your weekend?
Pretty good. I cleaned my room, baked some cookies, went for a long walk, and watched a movie. Very productive. What about you?
Well, I planned to clean my room, but then my room told me, no, let me stay messy. And I respected this decision.
You're hopeless.
But lovable?
Anyway, one more reminder, friends. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new lessons.
Warm up. Simple daily sentences.
All right, let's warm up with easy daily English sentences you can use right away.
Morning routine sentences.
Here are some basic morning sentences. I just woke up. I'm still sleepy. I need 5 more minutes. I'm getting ready.
I need 5 more minutes. That is me every day. Every morning I lie to myself. I tell myself just 5 minutes, and then suddenly it's 30 minutes.
Same here sometimes. Now, beginners, repeat after me. I'm getting ready.
Let's add one more. I'm brushing my teeth.
Good. Simple and useful.
Asking about someone's day.
Another easy set of sentences. How's your day? How are you feeling? What's going on?
What's going on can sound casual, friendly, relaxed, like you're talking to someone you know well.
Right. And for beginners, it's good to start using these short questions.
Section 1. Food and eating.
My favorite topic, food.
I knew you'd say that. All right, let's teach daily English around food.
At breakfast.
Here are common breakfast sentences. What's for breakfast? I'm making coffee. Do you want some eggs? I'm not that hungry. Pass me the butter, please.
Pass me is a super useful phrase. It just means give me, but politely.
Yes. Pass me the salt. Pass me the spoon. Pass me my phone.
Just don't say, pass me your money. People don't like that.
True. Try to use it only for objects on the table.
Useful vocabulary. Sip, a small drink. Example, I took a sip of tea. Bite, a small piece of food you put in your mouth. Example, can I have a bite? Hungry versus full. Hungry, you want food. Full, you cannot eat more.
One mini story. When I'm hungry, I can eat anything, even cold pizza. But when I'm full, even chocolate looks too heavy.
Opposite words help a lot. Hungry, opposite full. Hot, opposite cold. Sweet, opposite salty. Soft, opposite hard. Beginners, remember opposites. They double your vocabulary.
Vocab mini review.
Let's quickly review the food vocabulary. Sip, bite, hungry, full, sweet, salty,
Say them with us. Sip, bite, hungry, full.
Great job! You're doing amazing so far.
Section 2. Shopping and clothing.
Shopping time, my weakness.
Weakness. Good vocabulary word. Something you can't resist.
Clothes are my weakness. Shoes too, and also snacks, and also discounts. Look, I have many weaknesses.
Basic clothing sentences. I like this shirt.
Does it fit?
It's too big.
It's too small.
It looks good on you.
I'll try it on.
Try on? What does that mean?
To try on means to put on clothes in a store to see if they fit. Example sentences. I'm going to try on this jacket. Can I try these shoes on? I tried it on, but it doesn't fit.
Vocabulary. Outfit. All the clothes you wear together. Example, your outfit looks great today.
Thank you. I call this outfit, I woke up late but still tried.
Pattern. Design on clothes, like stripes, dots, flowers. Plain. No pattern. One color.
I like plain t-shirts. Simple, comfortable. Shopping cart vocabulary. Cart is a big basket with wheels. Basket is small and you carry it. Price tag is a small label with the price. Discount is lower price. Buy one, get one free is a special deal.
You will see these everywhere. Very useful for beginners.
Let's repeat. Outfit, try on, plain, pattern, cart, discount.
Now you try making your own sentence. For example, I want to try on this plain shirt.
Great! Practice makes everything easier. Section 3. Home and daily routines.
Morning to night routine sentences.
Here are useful daily routine sentences. I'm getting ready. I'm leaving now. I just got home. I'm doing laundry. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cooking dinner. I'm going to bed.
Doing laundry means washing clothes. My laundry is piling up means your dirty clothes are becoming too many, like my situation right now.
Your laundry is always piling up.
It builds character.
Useful home vocabulary. Chores, small jobs at home. Dishes, plates, spoons. Shelf, place to keep things. Pillow, for your head on the bed. Blanket, keeps you warm.
Mini story.
Here's a small routine story. When I get home, I put my keys on the shelf, take off my shoes, drink a glass of water, and relax. In the evening, I cook dinner, do the dishes, and watch a show.
That is a perfect routine sentence for beginners. You can copy this structure for your own day.
Section 4. Social and communication sentences.
Talking to friends.
Here are common friendly sentences. What are you doing? Where are you? Do you want to hang out? Message me when you're free. Call me back.
Hang out means spend time together. Example, let's hang out this weekend.
Very common phrase.
Polite sentences.
Could you help me? Excuse me. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it means I am very thankful.
Everyday reactions. Really? No way. That's great. I'm not sure. Let me check.
These help you react naturally in conversations.
All right, beginners, your turn. Answer these questions in the comments. What do you eat for breakfast? What outfit do you wear most often? What chore do you dislike the most? What is your daily routine?
And try saying these sentences out loud. I'm getting ready. I'll try this on. Pass me the salt. Let's hang out this weekend.
Speak confidently. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. You're learning.
Final vocabulary review.
Let's review today's key vocabulary. Sip, bite, hungry or full, outfit, try on, pattern or plain, chores, laundry, hang out, and appreciate.
And key sentences. I'm getting ready. Does it fit? I'll try it on. Pass me the butter. Message me when you're free.
Today we covered simple daily English sentences, morning routines, food, shopping, clothes, home routines, and social communication.
We explained vocabulary, gave examples, practiced phrases, told mini stories, and hopefully made you smile at least once.
You did an amazing job learning with us today. Remember, daily English becomes easy when you practice a little bit every day.
So keep going. You got this.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your answers.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.